Death toll may rise to 100, after at least 30 tornadoes swept through 6 states overnight in the central parts of the United States, including Arkansas, Mississippi, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee and Missouri. A candle factory in Kentucky has been completely destroyed, local media reported on Saturday. Tornadoes also hit a nursing home in Arkansas and took off the roof of an Amazon warehouse in Illinois, causing certain fatalities. Another nursing home and a fire station in Truman of Tennessee also got substantial damage. It was the worst tornado that touched down in northeastern Arkansas and stayed on the ground for about 223 miles into Kentucky, and most likely the longest reported tornado in history, local media reported. According to PowerOutage.us, at least 331,549 utility customers in 4 states were left without power. Issuing tornado warning on Friday, the National Weather Service said, at least 25 million people were under threat from massive thunderstorm systems.